Hi guys, so I just wanted to talk to you guys about my grandparents' house. Okay, so they just remodeled it. They put siding up, and what I say remodeled, they remodeled the outside. Anyway, so they put new siding up. Their house was originally blue, and then they put brown siding, and they put 2 doorbells on. They put one in the front and one in the back. And you guys will not believe what the front door sounds like. That's the front door. Yeah. Okay, and so imagine, and they ring that every time they come inside. Every time. Anyway, okay, here's the back. Rogie, you don't shut up. Shut up. Anyways, that's the back door. My uncle's out there. Anyways, that's the back doorbell, and they ring that every time they come in through the back door. And so I'm sitting here on this trying to make webcam videos, and I hear ding dong in the back, or however the front one goes. So I'm stressing out. I mean, it's like they don't remember what it sounds like. They're gonna get tired of it, and then when people ring the doorbells, they're gonna get irritated because it's annoying. Anyways, okay. I just wanted to tell you guys that because I'm frustrated because I keep trying to make webcam videos over here and they keep ringing the freaking doorbells. Okay, love you guys. Bye. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know where all this stuff's at, so. Okay, well, bye.